Yo guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, today in this video, absolutely crazy. Look what we've got here, guys. Electro X, as you guys can see. Guys, here. Oh, this thing. Okay now. Yeah. Okay. Oh, nearly killed me then. This, if you think this thing is fucked and scary.
Wait, they haven't even seen that yet. And this one, there's only 2 of these in the UK right now. And we've got your main.
You guys are gonna see the work on this bike. Yeah, I've already got work on it. I'm already up and easy. You guys are all gonna see in the video. These bikes are both absolutely crazy. Stay tuned, guys. It's gonna be wild.
I'm more scared of that one.
Yeah, I'm kind of scared of this one.
This is a scary
this
one.
one takes me, yeah, and it's like, oh my god.
This is upgraded. This is upgraded. These are upgraded.
Crazy, man.
What, you think you can catch me on this?
We'll see about that. Because this bike has been remapped, it's crazy.
Look at my eyes, guys.
This bike is crazy fast. It's got pretty much the different gears, the different modes. 5 is the fastest. 1 is what you would say slightly slower. I had it in 5 just then. You guys saw what happened, yeah?
But didn't I tell you before?
Yeah, no, you told me, but I thought like, you know, I'll have it in it.
You will be touching 90 miles an hour before you know it.
Hi. This road, this trippers. You guys ready for the work?
Link up.
Hey! Yes.
One minute on a 450.
Huh?
1 minute on a 450.
That's electric, isn't it? Yeah.
You watch out for it. Don't tell me about watch out for it. You're aiming for it. Mad still. Bring your big bike. Bring your big bike.
Crazy.
Oh, security out there!
Yo!
King of the hill, Rick!
The whole thing about this, guys, it's environmental friendly.
Yes, it is.
We are not harming anybody.
No. Electricity.
Electricity.
Yes.
Power to the planet.
Come on now, guys.
You're not talking about really in this though.
I ain't never tried it.
Where the fuck did that bus was going like?
What turn? What way? Yeah, I see a trick. They are. Scared.
I've got a button that says turbo.
That's too dangerous. Well, I can up this thing like mad.
Safe users, have fun.
Hey, that was hard, you know. That was hard. Yeah, I'll put it back down to 4. Fuck that.
Sir, boy, where's your license, boy?
I ain't got no license. Hey, don't kill me, man. Oh my god.
Oh, you robbed.
I got robbed, man.
Oh, you got robbed.
What am I gonna tell Ryan, bro? What am I gonna tell Ryan?
Oh,
Bro, that wasn't even my bike.
oh, where's Ryan though? Where's he gone now?
I don't know, bro. I lost him.
Oh, shit.
He's bro, a passenger.
250.
Oh, that is nuts, isn't it? Ah, the hat came off. Yo! He went flying. Oh my god. Come on. Come on.
The rider though.
So guys, this is going to be the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, comment down below what you guys want to see next. As you guys saw, these Electra X bikes are absolutely insane. Guys, they'll be out soon, and make sure you stay tuned for them. Don't miss the next video.